Hey everyone! Let's chat about something super important in our world of data analysis, data cleaning. Yeah, I know, it doesn't sound as exciting as predictive models or flashy visualizations, but trust me, it's your analysis superpower. Why does data cleaning matter? Imagine making critical business decisions based on incomplete, duplicate, or incorrect data. The consequences could be disastrous. Anything from financial losses to strategic blunders. Data cleaning is the process of identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies in a dataset. It ensures that the data you use for analysis is accurate, complete, and reliable. Clean data boosts accuracy, leading to trustworthy results. It enhances efficiency, so you spend less time troubleshooting errors and more time generating meaningful insights. And it prevents costly mistakes that can cost businesses millions in lost revenue and missed opportunities. Now let's talk about some common data quality issues. Ever dealt with duplicate records? They can really skew your results. Missing values can lead to incorrect assumptions. Inconsistent formatting, different date formats, case sensitivity, and naming conventions can cause errors. Outliers and anomalies can distort trends and mislead conclusions, and of course, typos and data entry errors can introduce incorrect information. So, how do we tackle these challenges? Here are some practical steps. First, remove duplicates. Duplicates inflate metrics and create confusion. Use Excel's Remove Duplicates feature or SQL's Distinct function to filter unique values. Next, handle missing data. Gaps in data can impact accuracy. Use imputation techniques like replacing missing values with the mean or median, or remove incomplete records if they are insignificant. Third, standardize formats. Consistent formatting ensures seamless analysis. Convert all dates, text, and numerical values into a uniform format using Excel's text function, Power Query, or Python's Pandas library. Fourth, identify and manage outliers. Outliers can skew insights and mislead decision makers. Use box plots, standard deviation analysis, or the IQR method to detect and handle extreme values. Finally, validate data entry. Manual errors can corrupt datasets. Implement data validation rules and drop-down lists in Excel, or use automated data entry tools. Remember, clean data equals better decisions. Data cleaning might not be the most glamorous part of analysis, but it is undeniably one of the most important. The quality of your insights is only as good as the data they are built upon. Whether you're a business analyst, data scientist, or a decision maker, prioritizing data quality will always pay off. Here's a pro tip: set up automated data cleaning processes using scripts or tools like Power Query and Python to save time and improve consistency. Thanks for tuning in. Happy analyzing!